The Know Your Customer process is a regulatory requirement that helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and other unlawful financial activities. Guesty is proud to comply with U.S. corporate laws and key regulatory frameworks to ensure your account is well protected and secure. The KYC process only needs to be completed once, and in it, you'll be asked to provide details such as your legal name, date of birth, or ID to ensure full verification and authentication. This information is, of course, fully protected under Guesty's strict privacy policy and will never be used or shared in any way. If this banner appears at the top of your Guesty account, start the process by clicking here and then here. Since you'll be asked to upload a picture of your ID or driver's license, you can choose to continue the process from your mobile phone by scanning this QR code, or continue on desktop by clicking here. Now, capture the front and back sides of your ID or driver's license using your phone or computer camera. Make sure the image is clear and that no parts are accidentally covered or hidden. Click or tap Continue, and that's it. The KYC process is completed, and the banner will no longer appear in your account. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.